All right, welcome. So we'll go ahead and record the screen, open up our Netflix, just on normal LTE or Wi-Fi here in the US. Go ahead and search for my show, Designated Survivor. It's not a show available here in the US, as you can see. Nothing is popping up. So we'll go ahead and exit. And then we'll come over here and open up our VPN. In this case, the Hotspot Shield, or NordVPN is another one that I use. Connect to a country that does have the show, or play around with it to see which shows they have. In this case, I know Mexico has it because I was in Mexico earlier in the year and was watching it as well. So make sure it's connected, and then come back here to Netflix, and we'll go ahead and open and search for that. Pulling it up here again, we'll search for Designated Survivor, and you'll notice it's right there in the top left corner. So there is the show, multiple seasons, 2 seasons it looks like, and I've watched all of the first season, so this is good. So anyway, using the VPN, it masks your IP address to think you're in another country so that you can do things like this. But it's also good for your clients for things like transaction desk. I was in Thailand back in February, and I could not pull up transaction desk in English, so I was able to use this to mask it, my IP address, to make me think that I was in the US. So and made it work. So anyway, hope you enjoy. If you have any questions of how to install or use this, just let me know.
Thanks for watching.